What would you do if you woke up one day and could walk through walls? Jake was just a regular physics student at State University, spending his Tuesday morning cramming for quantum mechanics. After a late-night lab accident involving a particle accelerator, he felt dizzy but fine, until he leaned against his dorm wall and fell straight through it. At first, he thought he was dreaming. He could phase through doors, sneak into any building, even walk through bank vaults. The power felt incredible, like he was living in a comic book. But then things went wrong. He started phasing involuntarily, falling through floors, unable to sit on chairs. The worst part came when he got stuck between dimensions. In that void between spaces, he saw things that shouldn't exist. Ancient entities with too many eyes, watching him. He realized some powers come with a price. Jake spent 3 days trapped in quantum hell before finally clawing his way back to reality. Sometimes the greatest superpower is knowing when to stay normal.